Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Practical Spoken English by RBS। दोस्तों, आप में से बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे जिनको ये लगता होगा कि लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज बोलना है तो ग्रामर के बिना कैसे होगा, अशुद्ध हो जाएगी अंग्रेजी हमारी अगर हम बोलेंगे तो हमेशा इस कंफ्यूजन में रहते होंगे कि ग्रामर तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा। वो सारा जो वर्ब एडवर्ब प्रीपोजिशन जेरंड और क्या क्या होता है वो सारा जानने बगैर कैसे होगा। फिर उच्चारण की बात आती है और जो एक्सेंट होता है, जो उच्चारण होता है कि किसी शब्द का उच्चारण कैसे कीजिएगा, जो सिस्टम है जिसको फोनेटिक्स बोलते हैं, इसको नहीं सीखेंगे तो लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे कि पता नहीं हमारी अंग्रेजी कैसी है। तो दोस्तों, मैंने अपने फर्स्ट वीडियो में ही बताया था कि आई एम ए प्रोडक्ट ऑफ हिंदी मीडियम सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड आई अप टू द इंटरमीडिएट क्लास, दैट इज you can say +2 standard, I studied everything including physics and chemistry in Hindi, and thereafter only I went to an engineering college. I am an engineering graduate and I did my entire engineering in English, and thereafter I joined my central government job where I worked for 34 years in English, everything in English. There was no other language in which I could write anything on the file, or even before higher officers I could speak anything other than English. And today I can communicate with you in this language in the manner in which I am speaking right now, and I can express myself in any manner and for anything whatever I like. But the irony of the things is this, that I don't know anything about English grammar, nor do I know anything about phonetics, how I am pronunciating the words now today. This has come naturally over a period of time by practicing spoken English, by following all the steps that I have been telling you to follow, like reading newspaper loudly, self-talking, mirror practice, maintaining notebook of vocabulary, and writing down in the notebook all typical types of sentences that I have been teaching you. I have not learned to teach something. I am teaching you only the things that I have followed in my life, and today, being a product of Hindi medium system of education, I am in front of you as a teacher, something trying to tell you that you need not worry about grammar. Friends, our mother tongue is Hindi. How many of us know anything about Vyakaran of Hindi? At least I don't know. I am a total cipher. Nor have I ever studied the phonetics. How did I do that? Step by step, word by word, day by day. If you add something to your English, spoken English practice, every day, a day will come, you will be surprised how it has become possible to speak. Because I also used to surprise myself how I can speak being a Hindi medium student. But today it is so old, that's why I don't have any surprise element in my spoken English. This spoken English of mine today is just to tell you that at least up to my level you can be able to speak English, and I think that for your so many things that will solve your problem. You can get a job, you can face the interview confidently, you can talk to your friends, you can have a respect in the crowd where you are sitting. And this much of English, your first goal is to speak fluent English. It is not the goal to speak British English or American English or this English or that English. Whatever accent you are comfortable with, you speak in that. A time will come gradually that you will start imitating others like I am speaking. I am speaking. This type of accent I did not have earlier. Over a period of time, it has happened. It can happen with you too. Why can't it happen? You are more intelligent than me. You are more dedicated than me. You are more determined to learn spoken English. Therefore, the first thing that you can do in your journey of spoken English, friends, is that you never bother about grammar and accent. If you bother, you cannot speak English, I can guarantee that. First of all, you have to give up your passion for learning complicated grammar. What I am saying is that is perfect. Nobody speaks his mother tongue or language by learning the grammar of that language. Do we know Hindi grammar? No, we don't know. But over a period of time, just by speaking and practicing and listening to others, we are in a situation to speak our mother tongue very fluently. Friends, every day we try to learn some word, practice that word, use that word in so many sentences. If you come to know something, some typical sentence, note it down, make some similar sentences, practice them here and there, and the tips that I have given in my channel also, what you should do, newspaper reading, self-practice, speaking, mirror practice, and all these things, you keep on doing bit by bit. Success doesn't come in a day, overnight. When we started speaking anything, mama, papa, those are the days. Today, how fast we are, just like bullet train. There is a saying in English that the journey of 1,000 miles always starts with one small single step. Do you know that even in one day, if you take one step, in 365 days, that is 1 year, you will be 365 steps away from where you started. And in 30 years, where you will be a few kilometers away from the starting point, just because you took one step per day. In 24 hours, you took only, I don't think that anybody is so lazy that he will take one step per day. He will not take. I want to say that drop by drop the ocean becomes full. समुद्र भर जाता है बूंद बूंद करके. If you deposit 10 rupees per day, you will not imagine after 40 years or 50 years how much this money will be. It will be in lakhs. Maybe in crore also I have not calculated. Dear friends, the sole purpose of this small video was to tell you, be confident, never be confused. Now I will tell you what is the importance of grammar in spoken English, if it is anything. It is important. जैसे हिंदी बोलते हैं तो राम जाती है नहीं कहते हैं, राम जाता है, और सीता जाती है. स्त्रीलिंग पुल्लिंग जानते हैं, इतना जानते हैं ना. लाइकवाइज कुछ सेंटेंसेस हम सीख लिए हैं कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए था, आई शुड हैव डन दिस, मैं ये करता रहूंगा, आई विल कीप डूइंग दिस. यही काफी है. ये जेरेंड आया, एडजेक्टिव आया, कंजक्शन आया, मेरे भाई इसको छोड़ दीजिए, फॉरगेट इट. चाहे इसमें आप अपना पैर रखिएगा तो ये दलदल है, कोई इससे निकल पाना बहुत आसान नहीं है. और आपका योर ड्रीम ऑफ स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश विल रिमेन ए ड्रीम इफ यू go into the intricacies of grammar and accent and phonetics. Never listen to these things. I followed certain things and today I can speak in front of you. I am teaching you only those things. You do that, a day will come, at least you can speak like me. And I am sure much more better than me. Because I am also sure you are certainly better in everything than me. Okay? See you in the next video. Thank you. See you again in the next video.